Hi friends, today I'm going to tell you one important hacks of Excel that will come very useful to you. So basically what happens in offices when we create a report in Excel and we use some graphs or pivot table. So what happens, its sizes gets increased like more than 10 MB, and then what happens, we are not able to send this file to our bosses. Okay, so in that scenario, basically what we do, we take a snapshot or we used to share this file to some share folder, and then from there they can access. So to reduce this problem, I have come with some one important hacks that you can come out of this problem. So basically you can see, I can show you for an example. This is a superstore sales data file, Excel file, which size is 22,596 KB. Basically it is a 22.59 MB. So you can see the properties over here. This file is 22 MB approximately, and the extensions of this Excel data is XLSX. So basically there are three extensions in which Excel data saved. The normal data, when we save it, is a XLSX data. So I can show you first. Let me open this file. This is a 22 MB file. So this file contains like one pivot data, then we have some order to data, and then returns, then orders. So too many files. It's a huge file. So you can see 51,000 rows are there. Okay, and the same thing, I have just copied the same orders data into the order to data to just increase the size of this. So now simply when we save any Excel file or any Excel report, so we simply save into XLSX format. So this is the data. So here you can see the save type. It is an Excel workbook. Now we have the other options also. Here we have a macro enabled, binary 97, and CSV. So CSV format is basically a plain text format. So generally we don't use this format. Otherwise what happens, once you will do some sort of editing on your Excel formatting and you will save, this will not be saved in the CSV. Once you will open this CSV, it will again retain their original format and it will open into the original data whatever it had. Okay, so we don't save data. This is also one kind of compressed data where it means the size gets reduced. Okay, now the 97 2000 is a old version. Now basically simply we used to save data under the Excel workbook, which is a XLSX format. Now I am saving, I am saying that if you want to reduce the size of any Excel or Excel file or any report and you want to send on the email, then simply just save this Excel file as a binary workbook. Okay, this will save under a format XLSB. So basically it is for a binary format. It's compressed or reduced the size because it saves data in directly into the binary format. And while operating the data also, this will give you more benefit, means easily you can work on the data. Simply what happens when the data is very large, means basically more than 50,000 rows or approximately 1 lakh rows, you will, if you will work on the normal Excels, it will hang. Okay, and you won't be able to do while refreshing the pivot also, this will give you the problem. But once if you will save under this Excel binary workbook, what will happen, the size of this workbook will get reduced, and while working on this file, this will be easily operational. Okay, now I can show you. Let me go here, the text I have saved this C. Okay, I can show you this 19. This is, now you can see the binary format. Okay, binary. So 22 MB file, now it is saved under the 19 MB file. You can see properties also. Okay, it is 18.7 MB, and now the format of this file is XLSB. So whenever we want to reduce the size of any report and you want while you are not able to share with your manager or your boss, you can just save simply under the XLSB format, binary format, and this will reduce your file size by 2/3. Okay, and this way you will be able to easily send your file through the emails. So this was the small hacks on Excel saving file, or how you can store file with lesser memory. So next video will come with the more details. If you like this video, please subscribe and like this video. We'll come into the next video with the more hacks. So thank you and bye bye.